period. Hey guys, it's Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber, hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys this perfect night out look here, which was heavily inspired by Jackie Aina, and yes, I used her palette again.
Aha!
But if you're interested in seeing how this looks created, just keep on watching. Alright, so I am going to be using my Jackie Aina palette. I know y'all are probably tired of me using it. However, this has been my go-to palette ever since I got it. I really been wanting to use Wiggly's. What I think I'm going to do is the eye look that Jackie did when she first announced this look. And I'll try to insert a picture somewhere on here so you can see which one I'm talking about. Alright, so the first shade I remember her going into is Pinker here. And I'm just going to take that on my Morphe M443 brush. If you guys cannot tell, this is my favorite brush to start with when packing a shade on my lid. I sound like really weird. I think I'm getting like a little cold, so I'm sorry. I'm gonna take this Morphe M441 brush, dip into Pinker, blend it out a little more. Next, what she did was she placed Wiggly's here on the lid. And I'm just going to take this Morphe M167. She's very pigmented. Next, she went into Credit here. I think this is like a deluxe crease brush by Wet n Wild. I'm just going to take that and focus Credit in my outer corner. Alright, so she took a little bit of Supreme, and I'm going to do that as well on this M506 brush, and she focused it in this area here. Alright, I'm just gonna use this what's left of this little NYX liner. And I'm just gonna go over that with Credit. Alright, so I'm gonna do my other eye off camera and I'll be back in just a second. Alright, so I'm back. Alright, so for lashes today, I'm gonna be taking my Country Girl Wing Lashes in Texas Tea. I honestly don't know who I am these days wearing these super dramatic lashes. Like, what's to talk about girls who wear lashes like this? Now I am one of those girls. Alright, so I'm just gonna do my face real quick. I'm not using anything new.
gonna give my all to you.
I'm just going back into credit and I'm about to smoke out my lower lash line. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to take Soleil. Also, I'm going to use it as my brow bone highlight. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, if you made it this far, then you already know. Baby girl, we're family, period.
Hey auntie.
So cousin, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications to be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys and I will see you in my next video.